Unlock Claude's full potential as your data analyst. Have you ever wanted your AI to not just chat, but also crunch numbers and visualize data for you? Well, that's exactly what the Anthropic Data plugin can do by turning Claude into a full analytics stack. The Anthropic Data plugin provides powerful commands like analyze, explore data, create-viz, and build dashboard. These commands transform Claude from a conversational AI into an analytical powerhouse to help you make data-driven decisions quickly. First, ensure you have the Anthropic Data plugin installed and active in your Claude setup. Navigate to your plugin settings in the dashboard and toggle on Enable Data plugin. Let's start with the Analyze command. This is your go-to for statistical analysis of datasets. Simply type Analyze, followed by your dataset file, and Claude will return a summary with key insights such as mean, median, and standard deviation. Next, use Explore Data to dive deeper into your dataset. This command allows you to query your data, spot trends, and identify outliers, helping you uncover hidden patterns with ease. For data visualization, the create-viz command is your best friend. Whether you need a bar chart, line graph, or scatter plot, just specify the type and dimensions, and Claude will generate a beautiful, interactive graphic for you. Finally, bring everything together with Build Dashboard. This command organizes your analyses and visualizations into a coherent, interactive dashboard, making it easy to present your findings or monitor ongoing data processes. Imagine you're a data scientist analyzing sales trends. By typing ranalyze sales data.csv, you can quickly identify peak sales periods and average order values, turning raw data into actionable insights. A common pitfall is not specifying the right file format. Ensure your datasets are in CSV format for compatibility. Also, remember to verify your data types before processing to avoid errors in analysis. Best practices include backing up your datasets before conducting analyses and using descriptive command inputs for clarity. Regularly update your plugin to benefit from the latest features and security patches. To recap, the Anthropic Data plugin transforms Claude into a full analytics stack with commands like Analyze, Explore Data, create-viz, and Build Dashboard. These tools streamline your data analysis process and enhance your decision-making. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on leveraging AI tools like Claude to optimize your workflow and stay ahead in data analytics. Subscribe for more AI tools, tutorials, and stay ahead.